We're at the Robinson Mall. And we got the Schindler MT with the epic motor and a big cab. Let's call it glass doors. Watch it come down. See, it's up on the second floor. Try not to get anyone on picture. Very ADA compliant. Installed 2002. Put the camera away. Watch the lantern. LED. Thank you. You're welcome. Schindler. Go to 2. Door close does not work.
Look, I'm going to be sitting right here on this little chair.
Okay. Dad, quiet.
What's that? What are we looking at?
Nice motor. Installed in 2002. Awesome motor.
This is an enormous motor.
Go down.
Yeah.
We're gonna watch out this side. Watch out this side.
Right. I was gonna say something, but I ain't know what you did, so I ain't saying it.
Very nice elevator. They're your fixtures, they're empty. Let's go for another ride. I'll meet you down, Dad. I'll meet you down here. Let's go for another ride. I can't get enough of the motor on this. Let's get a cab view before we go anywhere. Very nice. Now watch through the doors. Yes, I got to get a better take of this. This camera's just awesome. Come on, one. 3 sensors. A compliant phone. We'll watch out this. Now we'll watch out this side. Pottery studio over there. Ooh, try not to get Mom in the picture. Here we are. We'll watch it close. 3 sensors. Big. There it goes, and that's it.